Now in this lesson, we would be learning how to install compiler and IDE which we will be using for programming. So let us start with downloading the compiler first. www.minji.org is the official website through which we will be downloading our G++ and GCC compiler. In the Google search box, search for MinGW. Here's the official website, that is www.mingw.org. Here's the download tab in the upper right corner. Click on the downloads. And then here you will get an option for Windows to download the setup for MinGW. Click on it. Choose the required folder where you want to download the setup and click on Save. The setup has been downloaded. We will open the file and click on Install. We will set the directory path in the local disk C in the MinGW folder. Click on Continue. And the download will start. It will take some time to download all the files. Here, right-click on MinGW32 base bin and choose Mark for installation. Similarly, we will install MinGW GCC G++ bin, that is the GNU C++ compiler. Right-click on it and choose Mark for installation. Similarly, choose MinGW GCC object bin, that is the GNU Objective-C compiler, and click Mark on installation. After choosing all these three, in the top left corner, click Installation and choose Apply Changes. Click on Apply and it will download all the packages. After that, it will automatically extract all the files. It will take some few minutes. Now, after the extraction is completed, click on Close and close this window. Press the Windows keys and search for variables. Click on Edit the System Variables. Go to Environment Variables and within the System Variables, click on Path, Edit and here New. Set the path of the bin directory of your MinGW which is residing in your MinGW folder in C. In our C folder, here in MinGW folder, for this bin directory, copy the path. And by pressing New, paste that path here and set OK. Press OK and here also press OK. Now press Windows and R and type CMD. This will make your command prompt to open. Now we need to check whether our compiler has been downloaded successfully or not. To check it, just type the command gcc --version. It will show you the version of GCC compiler. Similarly, type G++ --version. It will show you the G++ compiler version. If it is showing this version, it means your GCC and G++ compiler has been downloaded successfully. Now as that we have downloaded the compiler, let us download the IDE. Here we would be using Visual Studio Code. In the Google search box, just search for Visual Studio Code. Hover to the first official website. Click on Download for Windows. The download will start. Choose the folder according to you and click on Save. This will start the download for your setup. As the size is bigger, it will take some time. After you're done with the download, open that file. Click on I accept the agreement and click on Next. Click on Next and click Install. This will start your installation. After you have been completed with the installation, mark the checkbox of Launch Visual Studio Code and click Finish. This will make your Visual Studio Code to launch. Now here, we have the welcome window for Visual Studio Code. We would make some modifications in it. Go to this extension, search for C++ and install this extension. Also, search for Code Runner and click on install and install this extension. Now after this, go to File, Preferences and Settings. So here you can set the font size, font family, tab size according to your choice. So that's it about installation of the IDE.